After downloading the LED Bluetooth AIA file for the Codula platform and the file for the ESP32 LED Bluetooth, we click on Projects. We import the project from the computer and this graphic part of the application appears. What you're seeing here are buttons. These would be taken from the menu options. You grab and drag the button. This is how you would make all the buttons. These are tags that you would take from here and drag. The good thing about having imported the project is you already have everything done. Now, the Bluetooth client would be taken from there. Drag and drop, and it will appear here. Now, we would go to the blocks option to program the application. In blocks, we have blocks like this, since in button 5, we are going to see the MAC address of the ESP32 Bluetooth. These blocks here mean that if you press button 1 or button 2, you'll send through the Bluetooth signal a 1 or a 2 to the ESP32. If you finally press button 6, you'll disconnect from the Bluetooth signal you've used. The important thing is to know the MAC address of the ESP32 Bluetooth. On the other hand, with the Arduino Sketch, that would be the default library. The LED is called LED 12. However, I connect when finished, for example, to pin 16. In the book, you can check where pin number 16 is located. We turn on the Bluetooth and find the name ESP32 test among all the signals we can see in the Bluetooth section of our mobile. We configure pin 12 as an output. We start the Bluetooth and let it listen. If I receive a 1, LED 12 will turn on, and if I receive a 2 it will turn off. I go to Tools. I check the port is CON3. Your case may be different. I click on this button to upload. Once it starts uploading to the ESP32, I press a button called Boot on the ESP32 board, so that the sketch transfers. We will see percentage progress on the screen, and the sketch will be sent to the ESP32. Now, we are going to open the companion app on the mobile. In the Codula platform, we click on Connect. Then, we press on AI Companion. We scan the QR code using the companion app on the mobile. We check that it starts to load. Once it finishes loading, we see the application on the mobile and click on Connect to Bluetooth. Here, we see a lot of numbers. All these numbers are different MAC addresses in our area. In the Bluetooth section of our mobile, we look for the Bluetooth ESP32 test signal. Once we find it, we press on it with our finger to manage the link. We return to the application. We click again on Connect to Bluetooth. We see the number 246F28 that appears before ESP32 test. This number is the one we write here, in this section called Blocks, on the Codula platform. We check the number is correct. Now we change one block for the other. At this moment we exit the application and reload it using the companion app. We scan the QR code and do the whole procedure again with the Kodular platform. Now, we have the app again on the mobile. When we press the Connect to Bluetooth button, we verify that the word True appears in the label. This means we've successfully connected with the Bluetooth signal. So now, with the on and off buttons, we will turn the LED on and off. At this moment it's off. We press on, and it turns on. If we click off, it turns off. With this, I hope you've seen how easy it is to create an app and control a component with your mobile phone through the ESP32. This can control things that need little power.